Hi, so you want to learn how to create a question for your Google Classroom. You click on Classwork, click on Create, go down to Question. Over here you type in your question. And the parents can answer right here. And you could be done right here. Or if you don't want a short answer, you want multiple choice, click on multiple choice. And you write in the options for your multiple choice. And here you go. You can write as many as you want. Now you can also add, you guys know this button already, you can also add a Google Drive, link, file, or YouTube video. If you wanted to add a video on feelings, you could do that, and that way when they answer the question, they could have something to refer to, a resource that they could go to. And you could ask it right there at that moment, or you could schedule it by clicking this bottom arrow next to ask. Schedule it, you pick your time, you pick a date, and you click on schedule. And you're all done. Hope this helped.